Hey you guys, welcome to Cooking with Cultural Creations. Today we're making Grandma's candied yams. Grandma's make the best candied yams, don't they? I know mine does, and she's taught me a little thing or two along the way. So I'm showing you today. So what we're going to do is start off with cutting all of the skin off of our potatoes. Don't leave any skin on the potatoes, and then also cut any little rough edges that you find on the potatoes. Like that little spot we just saw, we're going to come back and take care of that. Alright, just like that. And we're going to use 2 potatoes for this recipe. After all of your skin has been removed from your potatoes, grab a large knife and go ahead and start slicing your potatoes into nice little slices like this. Not too big and not too small. And after all of our potatoes have been sliced and placed in our dish, we're going to give them a nice rinse. I like to rinse mine 2 or 3 times just to make sure that I get into all the grooves and have the potatoes thoroughly cleaned. And after that, we're going to add some vanilla extract for a little flavor. And of course, some cinnamon. You're going to need cinnamon and nutmeg. There you go, and then now we're going to go ahead and add our nutmeg. We're going to add a good amount because this is 2 large potatoes. And you need a cup of sugar. Trust me, at least a cup of sugar when you're making this many potatoes. Sweet potatoes take a lot of sugar to sweeten. So I like to go ahead with my hands and move all of the sugar, all of the flavor around on each potato to make sure that they're well coated. And make sure that they're standing up in my dish. And then we're going to go ahead and cover our potatoes with foil and bake them in the oven. We're going to bake our potatoes for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours until they're nice and tender but not falling apart and they have darkened. When you're almost to that point, you want to go ahead and slice half a stick of butter. We're going to place them right on top of the potatoes. Once you take your potatoes from the oven, they should look just like this, nice and dark. And just spread your butter across your potatoes. And we're going to put them right back in the oven. I'll spread it like so. You're going to place your foil right back over the potatoes. And place them in the oven for no more than about 10 minutes. We're just going to leave them in there long enough for the butter to melt. And after you take them back out of the oven, they'll look just like this. So go ahead and move your butter around so it gets across all of your potatoes. Y'all, there is nothing like butter. Look at that. Look at that soaking into all of those potatoes. Delicious. So just keep doing that until all of your potatoes have been nice and covered and moistened. And there you have it, you all, Grandma's candied yams. The best candied yams you'll ever have in your life. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See y'all next time.